Hello, everyone. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, have you found the perfect way to show your special someone how much they mean to you? I wanted to create something unique and meaningful this year. So I decided to make a beautiful photo frame out of barbecue sticks, and inside it, I'll place one of our cherished memories, a photo that reminds us of the love we share. I'd love to share this little DIY with you, and I hope it inspires you to create something from the heart. Stay tuned and let's make this Valentine's Day extra special. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest posts. Thank you for watching.